Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to change your YouTube channel name. The first thing you need to do is to make sure your YouTube channel account is being logged in on your YouTube or on your YouTube app. Just click on the profile picture icons you can see right here and click on your channel. Right now you can see the pencil tool on the screen. Click on this pencil tool. Now click on this option that says name. Click on it and just wipe out the name you have there currently. Just see just put any name you want. Okay, and here we are. The name has already changed. If you find this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Have a nice day.